Hey friends, it's Snowmageddon Apocalypse, Snowpocalypse Mageddon, something like that. It snowed an awful lot. Snow day here today in Erie, Pennsylvania. As you can see, the birds don't care. But, hold on, I got a call. So the best thing to do on a snow day is to go to the grocery store and get out on the dangerous and treacherous streets on a bicycle to make everything more difficult for everyone, and go and buy up all the, you know, how else am I going to go buy all the toilet paper and bread and milk? Because apparently people eat that stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to wipe the lens again, and we're going to take this thing here, this complete pile of garbage. But there's the Schwalbe Winter Marathons that are studded. So we'll see how old Father Christmas Winter Warlock, we'll see how it goes. I have to turn on my Garmin and track this so that everybody knows that I'm a complete idiot and I've ridden my bicycle in the snow. Bicicleta. It's a good old-fashioned lens wiping. Yeah, see, that's what Strava's for, so that everybody knows what kind of a person you are. And I am a person who is covered in snow. This is absolutely dreadful. This bike is dreadful. Everybody's stuck. There's gear locks. I'm not even going up the side street. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. The bike's okay, as long as though it's on this hard pack stuff. I wonder if the grocery's even open. I don't know. Crazy. This bike needs better gearing. It's too much. Easier. I need easier. Yeah, the gearing, I think I've got 42, I don't know what the smallest. Oh wait, because I've got it in the hardest gear. I'm a dope. Ha, whoops, that's better. Yeah, it's not really ready yet, but hey, whatever. Today's the day to ride it. This is why I wanted to make a winter beater a single speed, because it's all jammed full of snow. How's it going? I don't think the brakes work. I guess I don't care. Yeah, like this. There's a truck that's stuck. I'm not gonna get up that. Ha, it's still trying to shift. Like I said, it wasn't really ready yet, but snow doesn't care. Oh, it's got 2 more gears to go. Yeah, we've got over a foot here. So if you live on the side street today, even though it's noon, you're not getting your car out. There we go. There. Okay. We're gonna spin it, not grind it. That's just how it's gonna have to be, friends. Oh, this is great though. Super fun. Yeah, not going up that street either. Oh. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to get through here. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Hey, thanks, man. Have a good one. Thanks. This is great. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now that studded snow tires are nice, but once it's like this hard packed stuff, it's not a shoe-in for safety. Maybe if I let some pressure out, I don't know. Oh, this is dreadful. Yeah, that's not gonna work, friends. We're gonna have to hike it. It's a good thing I stripped most of the weight off of this. My goodness. I don't know how else I'm gonna get into track lacrosse, cyclocross, whatever it's called. Whew. There's one other person that's as foolish as I am. But the tires are flat. Let's lock this up and get some groceries. So the funniest thing about all of this is not the bike being a complete pile of trash, like a good trash bike should be. And it's not that the studded snows don't really work as amazing as I had hoped they would. It's that I've gone to the grocery store and picked out my groceries, got in line, ran into my friend Miles, and then realized that I had left the house without my wallet. Are we gonna be able to get through there? Yes. What? Something's creaking, everything's rattling, grinding. I gotta not get run over by the plow guy. Here he comes. So when I was out here on the summer tires, I was on the side streets, which is where I am now, and they haven't seen a plow yet today. That's how much snow we got. The plows are busy on the main arteries. Oh. Oh, this sucks. How did I do this when I was a kid? Oh. My friend was giving me a hard time about riding my bike in the snow. So I'm gonna wave real big and yell! Because I said I would, right on the internet, I said it. Whew. There's your house, friend, I told you. Here you are. I told you I would. Here's my bike. Ugh. Okay. You know, if people shovel their sidewalks, which you're legally bound to shovel your sidewalk in Erie, Pennsylvania, people don't do it. I don't understand why. So, I'm Josh Gone. This is Erie by Cycle, just as best as we can. Hey, please do consider subscribing. All the new folks, really appreciate you coming by. Really, a lot. So, yeah, all the bells and whistles, push them things on the internet. Stay home, stay dry, stay warm. Think well, be well. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, and studded snows on like good hard packed snow, or maybe trails that are packed down, they'd be great. In this mushy mess, no, it's just, this is too much snow. It's just too much. Way too much.